If you want to know these 10 top strategies, keep on watching.
24 seconds, yeah, you better not stop. You got 24 seconds, can you beat the shot? Put you waiting on, look, daddy, I ain't got that much time. You seem anxious, you seem
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I thank you so much for coming back to see your girl. But before we start, if you want to hear this hot tea, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and subscribe. So let's get into the video. So today, guys, we are talking about how to promote your YouTube channel when you upload or after you upload a video. Okay, so a lot of people think they did the work, they did the editing, and now it's just time to sit back and let YouTube take off. Guess what? No. It don't work that way. So once you edit your video and the editing and all of that, you have to still put in work, okay? So I've been noticing things with my channel, and I'm still learning as I go. So after you do your video, you have to promote yourself to the guys, like your life depends on it. Because when you upload your video, YouTube usually gives you about 2 hours to see if they're going to push your video out into the algorithm. If it don't do well, then they will not push out your video. So it's very crucial the first 24 to 48 hours once you upload your video. So I'm going to give you 10 strategies on how to promote your video. And guess what? It is working for your girl. Believe it or not, it's working. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, edit your video, download it, do all the editing software you need to do. The first one I'm gonna go with is LinkedIn. Okay, if you don't have LinkedIn, you need to download LinkedIn, and that's a link where people market businesses. They market employment, and they're starting to market. LinkedIn have over 800 million users, so why not take advantage and start promoting on that site? Number 2, I'm gonna say Instagram. If you don't have Instagram, you need to download that app. That is a very popular app, okay? You can share that with all of your friends, family. Everybody got an Instagram page, okay? So once you upload your video, you want to click on share, and you want to share that on your Instagram page. They also have Instagram Reels. You can also do Instagram stories to download it. It's a lot of work, but guess what? It's going to work in the long run, okay? Number 3, I'm going to say TikTok, okay? So after you upload that video, you share that on YouTube. Share that on the TikTok app. If you don't have TikTok, you need to download that as well, okay? Now, I believe if you have over a certain amount of followers on TikTok, you can start doing lives. You can, even if you don't have live, you can start sharing that on your TikTok app, okay? So as soon as I upload it on YouTube, I go to Instagram, I go to Instagram Reels, I go to my Instagram stories, and then I go to TikTok, and I start to do the same routine, okay? The next one I'm gonna say is Twitter, okay? My Twitter account is really old, but I still use that to the best of my ability. You never know who's watching. That's another great app you can use, Twitter, okay? Download Twitter, and you can just make a banging thumbnail and add that to your story. You can put whatever caption you want. Download Twitter. Comment below if y'all got Twitter. If y'all don't have Twitter, y'all need to download Twitter. The next thing I'm gonna say is everybody's best friend app. I'm gonna say Facebook. If you don't have Facebook, you need to download a Facebook app, okay? I have Facebook app, and once I finish uploading on YouTube, I take a little visit to my Facebook family, okay? So I also upload it on my Facebook story. I upload it on my Facebook post. I also have a Facebook fan page. So I do the same thing on that page. Yes, it's a lot. It's a lot. because YouTube might not promote for you. Your video might not do too well on YouTube. So you got to be your own fan. You got to be your own best friend. You got to be your own cheerleader. Or who else will? Okay, so we done covered Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Twitter. I'm going to say another good one. Another good one is Snapchat. Okay, if you don't have Snapchat, you need to take advantage of Snapchat, because what I'm hearing now, you can get monetized on Snapchat. I have a Snapchat account, so once I upload it, I take a little walk down to my Snapchat. I upload it on my Snapchat story. You can do a lot on your Snapchat. You can upload stories. You can talk about the thumbnail. There's a lot you can do. So you need to download Snapchat and take advantage. It's free. All these little apps, Facebook, all of them are free. Who's to say? We don't know. They may start charging us. They already trying to ban TikTok. So that's another story. That's another video. But while we still have TikTok and Snapchat and, you know, all these little apps that's helping us promote our stuff, take advantage. The next one I'm going to say is a little old school, but it really, really helps. I'm going to say take advantage of your email blast. If you don't have an email blast, don't worry. But you can start asking people, what is your email? What is your email? I have a YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to grow big. Can I have your email? So once you have your video, you can just send an email to everybody. Hey, my video's up. Check it out. And all they're going to do, they're going to click. They're going to click. You notice when you order things offline and then sometimes you get like an email saying, check it out, 50% off. Like if you order from Fashion Nova or any type of store. And they want you to, they're selling their stuff. They want you to buy. They want you to click on the email. Well, guess what? It's going to work for yourself as well. Okay. So we done covered TikTok, Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook. The next one that's a really good is the YouTube community tab. Okay. So I know you got to have like, I believe it's 1,000 subscribers in order to take advantage of that. But the YouTube community tab is so great to have. You can put pictures up. You can talk about anything. You could do polls. You can, you know, almost anything you want to create on your tab. So you can even post about your video you put up. So I think the YouTube community tab is really great for promotion as well. You can even go live. Okay, going live is another way to promote your business. Now, when I say business, if you sell lipstick, if you sell hair, if you're a makeup artist, you can go live doing all this creative tasks and people will see you. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to say is in person promoting your business. And whoever been rocking with me for a while, y'all know I'm good at telling people wherever I'm at to subscribe to my channel. Liking this clip here.
Things we do clothing hauls, fashion, we do skits, we do a little of everything. So if you find that channel right now, I appreciate y'all. It's Faith's Funhouse and Mommy Vlogs. FAITHS FUNS Vlogs. Faith Funhouse and Mommy Vlogs. Let me know if you found us. You found us? You found us?
It's got love. Oh, okay.
You got us?
I do.
Let me see. Yes, that's us. Thank you. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You have to have a promotion strategy. Another way to promote your business is these Facebook groups. Facebook groups. Okay, you meet other YouTubers that's doing it the same way you're doing. You meet a lot of people, and I have learned to come out of my box. I have learned to expand myself, and I'm hoping you will do the same. Facebook groups, go to Facebook, make you a Facebook app. They have tons of Facebook groups. You're not going to grow if you just stay with the same people on your YouTube channel. You're not going to grow. So I say this I say this very thorough. You have to grow. You have to network with other YouTubers. You just can't sit there and don't come on their page and don't say nothing to them. You're gonna have crickets on your channel. You're gonna have crickets on your channel. You have to network. You have to say something to them. You have to network with other YouTubers, okay? You just can't be all, oh, I'm just doing a video, and don't never go to their channel. It don't work that way. We're all small, trying to expand. So you have to network. You have to stick yourself out the box and continue to grow. I learned this when I first started YouTube. No one taught me. I was sticking with the same group of people. I was like, okay, my family gonna support. I got this person. I got 5 people there. You have to grow. You have to think outside the box. And I hope this message really helps someone. Well, listen, like I said, you have to promote your business. If you're going to get something to eat, if you're going traveling, hey, subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to grow. It's free. It don't cost you nothing. And of course, if you get a nice person in a great mood, you never know, they'll subscribe. Let me take a sip. All this talking and teaching making me a little thirsty. But anywho, if y'all have any questions or concerns on everything I just went over, feel free to email me. Feel free to inbox me. You can find me on Facebook. You can find me on Instagram. You can find me on TikTok. You can find me on all of these links here in my description. And I will be happy to answer any questions you may have. So I thank you all for watching this video. If it was helpful, give your girl a thumbs up. If you enjoyed the video, give your girl a thumbs up. If you think I inspired somebody, I'm praying I did, give your girl a thumbs up. And on this note, stay blessed, stay healthy, stay prayed up, and keep pushing. And we all gonna get to the top. I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.